Hi students, as in previous video lecture, I am discussing about traditional controlling techniques. So in that traditional controlling technique, one of the main controlling technique, that is budgetary control. So where the budgetary control is a technique which specifies the standards of a budgeted period, standards for the budgeted period, and those standard is to be compared with the actual performance in a budgeted period, identifying the deviations and taking corrective actions is to be done in the case of budgetary control. In previous video lecture, I have discussed about the meaning and also advantages of budgetary control, and also I was discussing about types of budget. There are mainly 6 types of budget to be prepared by a firm based on the nature and size of business organization. So already I have explained about the first type of budget, that is sales budget. Then second type of budget is production budget. So here production budget, what is production? Production means it is a process of conversion of raw materials into finished goods. That converting process is called production. So then what is production budget? Production budget is a statement of what an organization plan to produce in budgeted period. So this information, that is what an organization plan to produce, that information can be interpreted in numbers. Say for example, the company made a plan to produce 10 lakh units in the next month or in the next quarter. So like where the production budget is a statement which specifies the production value and a number to be produced for a budgeted period in future. That is called production budget. Then who is preparing this budget? The production budget is to be prepared by a person who is in charge of production. So they may call as production manager. The production manager is going to prepare a budget and anticipate what the company has to produce. That is called production budget. Then third comes, that is material budget. Material is nothing but like basic ingredients which are required, or in simple way we can tell that inputs for production. That is called material. Then what is material budget? So material budget means it is a statement of estimated quantity and cost of materials required for production. That is estimated quantity as well as cost of materials which are required for production purpose. Here there is an relativity between production and material budget. because we need to make production means we required raw materials. So if the manager knows how much of quantity to be produced, means based on that the purchase manager is going to get all the inputs to make the production achieved. So therefore material budget is a statement of estimated quantity and cost of materials required for production purpose. Generally, the material budget is also to be prepared by production manager, and also the material budget is also to be prepared by purchase manager. In case, because the materials is to be purchased means the information must be known to production manager as well as purchase manager. Then fourth is cash budget. So the cash budget is a budget. It includes anticipation of cash inflow, means incoming of cash, and cash outflow, means outgoing of cash for the budgeted period of time. So here cash budget is also a budget which is just like receipt and payment. So whatever the amount or cash is to be received and how much of the amount is to be paid or outgoing in a specific period of time, that is called the cash budget. So what it is? Cash budget, which includes anticipation of cash inflow and outflow for the budgeted period of time, that is called cash budget. So generally the cash budget is to be prepared by whom? Financial manager. There is a department called financial department. The financial department manager is going to prepare the cash budget also. Then fifth is capital budget. So here capital means what? So the capital which includes what are the items? So capital which includes cash, land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and fixtures. So all these are the materials which are included in capital. Furniture and fixtures, plant and machinery, land and building, cash. So all these which comes under capital. Means what is capital budget? So here capital budget means estimated spending on a long term asset. So the estimated means anticipated spending on long term asset, means its purchase of asset for the longer period of time. Which are the long term asset? Like land and building, plant and machineries. To purchase a land, to construct a building, we may require higher amount of capital. To purchase a plant and machine, so we may require comparatively more amount of capital. So therefore the capital budget which is estimate and anticipate the spending on a long term asset. If the company want to install a machine, company want to construct a building, means what amount of cash is to be required, that is to be prepared by and known by capital budget. So this is about the fifth capital budget. Then last, research and development budget. In short form, we call it as R&D. So, in case of company and manufacturing organizations, we can able to see R&D department called Research and Development Department. What this department does? So this department makes and research, survey in a market, identifies the customer needs, wants, desires, and a search for the new production process and progress, whichever the new technology introduced, it analyze that implementation of new technology in production process. All these activities are to be performed by research and development department. Then what exactly R&D budget indicates? Research and development budget, which estimates spending for the development and modification of product and also production process. Say for example, company using little old technology and the research and development department suggested to implement new technology in production process. At that time, the research and development department prepares a budget. If the company want to install new technological machines, means how much of the cost is to be incurred. That is called R&D budget, and it also estimates the amount on spending in making modifications of product, designing of product, creating a new way of making marketing of product. So how much of the amount to be invested to make modification in product, modifications in production process, and developing the new machines and equipment to be installed in a company, how much of the amount that incurs, that is estimated in R&D budget. So all these 6 about the various types of budget. By this, the traditional controlling techniques are over. How many are there? There are mainly 4 techniques of budgetary control. One is personal observation, then second is statistical reports, then third is break-even analysis, then fourth is budgetary control. These 4 are the techniques which comes under the traditional controlling techniques.